Champion Cutting Tool is a supplier of professional cutting tool and abrasive products to the industrial market. Champion was established in 1897. We are so proud to be a multi-generational family business. Champion Cutting Tools product line includes twist drills, taps, carbide-tipped hole cutters, countersinks, end mills, magnetic drill press systems, hammer bits for concrete, and we recently acquired another company that specialized in industrial abrasive products. Champion Cutting Tools sells through our large network of industrial and contractor supply distributors. Those customers of ours ultimately sell to the end users of our tools. As Champion has grown, we've decided to make investments in new technology. That includes our ERP software system and our warehouse management system. Champion chose VAI because it is a cloud-based system. It had all of the applications that we needed, and it was easy to use.
VAI being in the cloud is a great benefit to us as a company because not only is it safe and secure, we have a lot of our sales reps that work out of state and they could log in from anywhere. Prior to VAI, the system was on premise. We had to maintain the system every night with the backup tapes, and we had to take the tapes off premise every night. Security is very important to us. We've seen in the news that a lot of companies are being attacked by ransomware. The VAI cloud works on IBM servers that we feel are very safe and secure. As a CFO as a company, I'm responsible for the computer system, and with everything being on the cloud, it makes my life a lot easier that I can focus on day-to-day operations and I don't have to worry about storage and safety of our system. So one of the benefits that I find with S2K is the general ledger program and the financial statement program. So at every month I have to tie in my general ledger to my sub-reports, and then I run a financial statement so I know how we're doing as a company, and I can actually go in and I can run my balance sheet, I can run it in detail, I could do summaries. I actually have different locations, so my reports actually can give me location 1, location 2, so I could see how we're doing overall as a company. Another benefit that I really enjoy about S2K is how we can train new employees on it. Unfortunately, lately we've had a lot of turnover, and when someone comes in, I can show them the system and I can say, here you go, if you click on accounts receivable, then you click again. Everything that you want to see is right on the left-hand side, and it makes it a lot easier to train people. One of the features in S2K is when we have an item, we actually can have a photo of our item in there, which is good for us because sometimes we have new employees that don't necessarily understand the product, and a customer may call up and say, what color is it? So since we have coding on some of our items, they can actually say, oh, it's black oxide, and they could see that the color is black.
So we receive orders through email, fax, and phone call, and when customer service enters the order, they get sent to the bag. In the warehouse, we have layout people who come and pick the order, and then go around the warehouse and pick the order and scan the item to make sure that we are picking the correct item. Following that, they bring it over to a packing station where a second employee scans the items to verify that we are shipping out the correct items. After that, we close up the box and send it down the shipping line where it goes to the shipping station. The shipping station is integrated with S2K so that when we scan the order on the UPS machine, it is able to feed the address through to the UPS machine, and then when we ship the order, the tracking number is able to feed back to S2K so that the customer and customer service could see the tracking number. After we ship it, it is sent back to the office where customer service invoices it and emails it to the customer. So one of the major reasons that we initially switched to VAI was for the S2K Salesforce CRM module. It's an extremely useful tool for both our sales team as well as our management team. Before the switch to VAI, the biggest weakness for our sales team was time management as well as organization, and the CRM module was able to provide a solution for both of these issues. The sales team is able to go in and log their activity, and it feeds right to their calendar, where they are able to keep track of any follow-ups that are necessary and make sure that we capture all of the opportunities. For larger jobs, we take advantage of the opportunity dashboard in Salesforce CRM. This dashboard has multiple stages where you're able to drag and drop the opportunities depending on where they're currently at, and it's a nice pipeline for our sales force to be able to see what opportunities they have open, as well as our management team to quickly view all the opportunities across the company. So the major benefit of having it all in one central database is that it's easy for our sales reps to find all the information they need. They can get sales figures, they could look at open orders, they could look at past activity, And it also helps us as a company because in the future, if there's ever a change in the position, we have all the information that we could pass on to the new sales rep. So having sales data for our sales reps in the CRM is a great feature for them. They were able to go to the customer level and drill down from what divisions they're buying all the way down to the item level to keep track of what customers are hitting their goals and who's behind and be able to follow up. And on the flip side, they could also start on the item level and start from the item and see what customers are buying it and quickly see who's up and down and have a good sense of your territory. For example, we have a quarterly review coming up and they look at their numbers and they say, oh, I'm not selling as many drill bits. You can go to the item analysis tab and filter the drill bits and see, all right, here are my customers that buy drill bits, who's up, who's down, and then you could dive in from there. So CRM provides your sales reps with all the tools necessary for them to succeed. They were able to go into item inquiry and see what items we have in stock and what pricing is for their customer, as well as track open orders. They are also able to go and see invoices to provide tracking information for the customers.
It was important to Champion to update our website at the same time that we upgraded our ERP system. We worked closely with the VAI team and a local marketing agency to design a beautiful and functional website. People visit the Champion website to see where they can buy our tools, to learn about product information, and also access robust technical information. To grow Champion, we rely heavily on data and analytics. The VAI system helps us easily access all of this information. We are looking forward to working with VAI as our company continues to grow.